Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to connect debit card to Robinhood. So let's quickly dive into it. So here's one of the quickest way for you to be able to disconnect debit card from your Robinhood. So if you want to use the mobile app to disconnect the debit card, just launch your mobile app on your device, then log in into your account, then tap the profile icon, which is the person's icon at the bottom right corner. Then select transfer from the menu. So tap linked account, then choose add new account. So select debit card as your payment method. So enter the debit card number, the expiration date, and the CVV of the card. Then confirm your details, then tap add card to finish, and make sure you follow the on-screen prompt to complete the entire process. And if you want to add or if you want to connect the debit card using the Robinhood website, just log to your browser, then log in into your account, then click the profile icon at the top right, then select transfer, click the option called linked account, then click add account and select debit card. So enter the card information, which is the expiration date, the card number, and the CVV. So once you have all the information in the right order, then tap confirm to link the card, and that's it. And make sure your debit card is linked to a United States bank account in your name, or the connection may fail. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more guide. You're welcome.